Morning once again. So in this part of our discussion, we're gonna discuss all about the experiment that we will gonna do in our physics laboratory this coming November 20, 2025. In our group, we discuss all about the sound visualizer. Okay, for our introduction, to design and demonstrate the functional sound visualizer that translate audio input into observable optical motion, illustrating the relationship between sound waves and the light manipulation. On the other hand, the sound on membrane experiment will visualize acoustic standing waves on a flexible boundary as the membrane vibrates in response to sound. Discrete nodal patterns emerge in the sound, revealing how boundary conditions and tension shape, mood shape, and resonance. Okay, these are our materials: the plastic tube, balloon, laser pointer, mirror, blackboard wall, wood base stand. Next, our procedure. First, cut the plastic tube open on both ends. Stretch a balloon over one end of the tube and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Attach a small mirror at the center of the stretched balloon. Mount the tube on the edge of the wooden base. 5. Position the laser on the opposite end of the base so that its beam is directly toward the mirror. 6. Set up the complete audio visualizer on a table with a blackboard placed at the distance to catch the reflected laser light. 7. Turn on the laser. The beam should reflect from the mirror into the blackboard. And 8. Direct a sound source, such as speaker, towards the open end of the tube. The sound vibration will cause the balloon to move, making the reflected laser light flicker and form dynamic pattern on the blackboard. Okay, this is our schematic diagram. Okay, next is our sand membrane experiment. The materials are plastic membrane, sand bucket with an open end, scotch tape, or a rubber band. Okay, our procedure for this experiment is: first, find a somewhat big gallon and cut it in half. Second, stretch a plastic membrane to fit into the opening of the gallon. And 3, secure the plastic membrane with a rubber band and scotch tape to seal it in place. And 4, make sure that the plastic membrane is stretched fully. And 5, put a speaker under the gallon. And 6, pour sand into the plastic membrane and play a tune. And this is our outcome or our schematic diagram. So that will be all. Thank you for listening and watching.